Alright, welcome back to Make It Mental, everybody. What you're looking at here is what I call a direct drive unit, meaning the motor is directly connected via a shaft, not the reduction gear, but to the ring gear on the differential. And so I'm going to conduct a series of experiments as to why this failed. This was originally built for my Corvette sitting there, which is now fully operational, except it has no reverse. So the reason why I'm showing you this first is because I hate how YouTube decides to pick the cover photo, and I'm not going to pay for a subscription to be able to pick my cover photo. Instead, we're going to conduct a series of experiments to see why this may have failed. So this vehicle here is a very cheap toy grade RC. It operates on 3 AA batteries, which you see there. And so we're gonna do a series of experiments. And the first one being right here, the most obvious, without changing anything except for the batteries. We're gonna keep everything the same. We're gonna keep the tires the same, the suspension the same, the electronics the same. We're going to keep everything the same. The ultimate goal is to see why this failed. And in the meantime, we're going to see how much performance we can gain out of this vehicle. We'll first do a test run, or I will do a test run to get a baseline to see what it does as a showroom stock vehicle. So our first objective, we'll put in the 3 AA batteries. We'll give it a test run, and then if you notice here, these are 4 AAA batteries. They take up about the same amount of space. Alright, so we can lay this on top here. So 4 AAAs versus 3 AA batteries. So that'll be the next series of experiments we'll conduct with this Dodge Challenger. We're not going to put any ball bearings in there. The only modifications I'm going to make are going to be what is already in the car besides the battery. And eventually we'll go to a LiPo battery, maybe even a 2S LiPo battery. So we're already gaining at least 1 extra volt by switching to this, but it's going to have a little bit lower milliamp hour rating, but I'm not sure that's going to affect anything. Again, that's going to be to try and determine why this is a failure. I think it's a good idea, but it just didn't work for some reason, and we're going to try and figure that out.